Joao, good night. Thank you for your email. I just you almost catch the idea, but there is a small detail that you need to catch. First of all, the slope, you catch it, this is x, this is the point x, this. You catch it, this is 3. You catch it that here, from here to here is x minus 3, x minus 3 is from here to here. And you catch it that the slope is here. The slope is here. This is x minus 3. And this, let's go to put it in green, this, and this, everything is x squared minus 9. This triangle is a right triangle. It has the side, the rank is x minus 3, and the rise is x squared minus 3. So now imagine the Q coming down, moving through the curve. It changed the curve, it changed the slope. The slope is different. In the first case, the slope was like this, from here to here. But now the slope is smaller. It's smaller. So the point here is, when you are here at this point, it's a different x. Now it's this x. So the x is moving and is approaching to the number 3. And when it's approaching, the quotient of delta y divided by delta x is x squared minus 9 divided by x minus 3. And you did the math correctly. This is x minus 3 divided by x plus 3 divided by x minus 3. And you did the math correctly. You say, let's go to cancel this with this, and this is equal x plus 3. But now this is the point. This is not equal x plus 3. This is equal x plus 3 when x is different than 3. Because if you plug in here 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. And division by 0 is not allowed. So this is equal to x plus 3 if x is different than 3. Now we want to know what's value will take x plus 3 when this x, you see this x, is approaching 3. When the x is approaching 3, and you are going very, very next to the 3, the value of the x is 3. And now, this is a limiting process. So the limit when x approaches 3 of x squared minus 9 divided by x minus 3 is the limit when x approaches 3 of x plus 3. Now, when x approaches 3, what the x wants to be? Was to be 3 because x is approaching 3. So this will be 3 plus 3 equals 6. Now, can you adapt this idea to your video? Thank you. I really appreciate it. You are almost getting the idea.